Mbaara cia kimucii ni ciongererekete na gikiro kinene itura-ini ria Kiamumbi kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, kuria namba nene ya atumia yandikithitio gukorwo ehutitio na njira nene ni mbaara ici.
There are so many other cases that are not being reported at the police station. Some are being reported in various congregations.
Riu Aruiriri a ihoto cia umundu, atongoria matiganite kuuma kaunti-ini ya Kiambu hamwe na muingi wa mwena uyu ni manyitanite niguo kugeria kuhitana na ciiko ici hamwe na gwetha njira cia kuhurana nacio kaimana.
Those cases are increasing even as we go along, especially after COVID. Before COVID, the issues were not as many, but after COVID and during COVID, those issues increased.
Makaya maya mokite thutha wa riboti 15 kwandikithio ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Kiamumbi oro mweri, undu uria wonanitie atumia nio magumiirwo makiria ni mbaara cia kimicii na gucungiriria amwe ao kugumirwo ni thina wa kimeciria na amwe gutigwo na nguraro njuru.
The victims na pia the perpetrators watu wanahitaji help, kwa sababu ndio mtu upige bibi yako mmekaa na yeye 10 years ndio unakuja afu unauliza kwani yako kufa, hata wewe uko na shida. Pia unapata there are men, they are suffering from GBV, but men hawaongei.
Kuringana na murugamiriri munene wa gikundi kia atongoria makanitha kia International Network of Religious Leaders niwe Jerry Ng'ang'a, augite wagi wa mawira niguo muhinga munene uria ucangiire mbaara ici kuongerereka.
In the society we found that we've got girls who've gotten abused and they've become young mothers. They are desperate for life. They end up even becoming commercial sex workers just to earn a living for themselves and their children.
Miario iria nyititwo mbaru ni anyitite matiganite makiuga mbaara ici ni icungiriirie amwe ao kwiruta muoyo.
One of our core mandates as an organization is to support journeys towards the alleviation of extreme poverty, and one of the things that anchors poverty is also mental disturbance that you could be able to put into children, for example, or into women when you deny them an opportunity to express themselves fully.
Riu makanitha ni moritio gutuika mugambo kuri aria maragererio menyamari kweno na kuheana motaro maria magirire itemi-ini ria kunina kaimana mbaara ici. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Gathoni wa Ng'ang'a.